Do you need worms to make good compost? The simple answer is no. I've just filled my wheelbarrow full of this beautiful, rich compost that I've had sitting there probably for about 6 months without touching it because I've had no green matter to add to it. We've got plenty of dry bamboo leaves at the moment and not much grass clippings. Now it started raining, so I've started to turn my compost. I've also been adding some cow manure to it. But as I dug through this compost, as I filled my wheelbarrow full of this compost, it's just so rich and so free-flowing. It's wonderful. It's also full of biochar. I've got lots of biochar in it. But there was no worms in it because it gets too hot. Using a hot composting method where I layer it with dry material, this year it's all bamboo leaves, and nitrogen-rich green material, so our lawn clippings and the cow manure, it gets very, very hot. This compost would have heated to 60 or 70 degrees Celsius, in which case the worms are going to take off. They're going to clear out. That's just too hot, or they'll die. Having worms in your compost does help make a richer compost because they poop in it, and this just adds to the richness. It also helps to aerate the soil well too. But on a hot compost like this, absolutely don't need worms. I mean, look at it. It's just beautiful. We're taking this compost over to where Panza can use it with her cacti and adenium. Now that it started raining, I will have plenty of lawn clippings. I mowed a little bit this morning, but it was just too hot to continue. So I'll do some more later in the afternoon and keep filling our compost bins so we can produce more of this beautiful, rich compost for our garden. If you'd like to check out more videos about how we make the compost here at Suansock Homestay, please check out this video next. Thanks very much for watching.